Welcome back to Just Kiwis DIYs. I am back with another easy DIY for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bells to stay up to date with the latest videos. To start off today's DIYs, we are going to be using some Mardi Gras beads, an old vase, I got this from the thrift store, some E6000, and some scissors. You're going to start by putting your E6000 all around your vase, and you're going to be gluing the Mardi Gras beads around. As you can see, I am struggling a little bit just to get that to stick. But I eventually got it to go around the vase as so. I did all this, guys, and it still did not stick. So plan B. I flipped my vase over. I'm still using E6000 because that is a permanent hold. It ain't going nowhere. But I also included some hot glue at the end of my Mardi Gras beads so it can stick right away without sliding down. So you're going to continue putting beads all around like a layer until you get all the way to the top of the vase. So just watch me work, y'all. I think this is the point where I realized this is one of those tedious DIYs and it's taking forever. But, you know, I'm going to finish strong and I'm going to finish it. Halfway through, y'all. Y'all still with me? I promise you, at the end of this, it's going to look so beautiful. Yes, we are done, guys. I'm so excited. Please allow your glue to sit for 24 hours, okay? All right. This reminded me of a drum, so I decided to play. And I'm excited because I'm done. Now on to my favorite part, y'all, which is spray painting. I love spray painting. It's quick, fast, and easy. And you guys will see the final look after I'm done. And here is the final look, guys. It looks so beautiful. Definitely look like something out of Z Gallery that you'll pay $100 for. And this project only cost me $3, guys. Literally $3. So definitely make it for your guys' home decor. And don't forget, guys, if you don't want to buy it, just DIY it. Thank you for watching my channel.